Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best anti-aging creams is probably one of the most sought-after products in the beauty industry. As we age, our skin's natural processes slow down, leading to visible signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Anti-aging creams promise to combat these effects, offering a path to a more youthful appearance. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? Let's dive in and find out. Number 5. L'Oréal Paris Collagen Daily Face Moisturizer. This daily moisturizer provides your skin with a burst of hydration. It helps to diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin feeling smoother and more plump. Use this lightweight, non-greasy cream day and night. It absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue, making it suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Experience noticeable results in just 1 week. After 4 weeks of consistent use, you'll see a reduction in the appearance of wrinkles, and your skin will feel more nourished. Give your skin the essential moisture it needs with this collagen-infused moisturizer. It's part of a complete anti-aging skincare routine from L'Oréal Paris. Start your skincare routine with a cleanser and eye cream. Then, hydrate your skin day and night with this collagen moisture filler moisturizer for optimal results. What we like. This moisturizer provides intense hydration, which helps to fill in the appearance of lines and wrinkles. It absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky film. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for a lightweight, non-greasy option that delivers essential moisture, you should consider this. What people say. It definitely leaves skin supple, hydrated and fills the lines and wrinkles. My skin immediately looked and felt more hydrated, firm and plump full. My face and neck are smoother than I ever remember, even better than after exfoliating. Number 4. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Face Moisturizer. Introducing the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Face Moisturizer. This daily anti-aging cream is designed to combat the signs of aging. It helps to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. With just 1 jar, you can reverse up to 7 years of visible skin aging. The cream's formula includes hyaluronic acid, which adds moisture to your skin, making it look plump and youthful. This facial moisturizer visibly renews your skin's texture and evens your skin tone. It also helps to smooth out fine lines. It is suitable for daily use and formulated without parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. Clinically proven to smooth fine lines in 1 week and fade wrinkles in 4 weeks. This retinol cream is effective for both your face and neck. You will see a noticeable difference. This Neutrogena face moisturizer is expertly formulated to maximize results while minimizing irritation. It provides a skincare solution to help you achieve and maintain healthy, hydrated skin. Use it daily for best results. What we like. This product features an accelerated retinol complex, visibly renewing the look of skin texture and evening tone. It's clinically proven to smooth fine lines in just 1 week. If you are looking for a powerful anti-aging solution that delivers visible results in a short time, you should consider it. What people say. The wrinkles in particular my forehead have literally diminished. With consistent nightly use, this rapid repair has changed the appearance of my skin. I love the way it feels and smells and really noticed a brightening of my skin and minimizing of fine lines. Number 3. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Face Moisturizer. This face moisturizer visibly reduces wrinkles and firms your skin in just 4 weeks. It targets the 3 main signs of aging, delivering clinically proven results for both women and men. With innovative hexanol technology, the moisturizer boosts your skin's ability to restore its appearance. It visibly improves firmness and skin tone, revealing smoother, younger-looking skin while reducing the look of deep wrinkles. Formulated with vitamin C, this daily moisturizer gently diminishes the appearance of dark spots. It visibly evens skin tone and enhances overall radiance, leaving your complexion brighter and more vibrant. Enriched with nourishing shea butter and hydrating glycerin, this cream deeply replenishes moisture. It leaves your face and neck feeling soft, smooth, and intensely hydrated throughout the day. This protective moisturizer includes SPF 25 to defend against aging UVA/UVB rays. It helps prevent future sun damage and decreases the risk of early skin aging when used with other sun protection measures. What we like. This cream uses hexanol technology to boost the skin's ability to restore its appearance, visibly improving firmness and skin tone. It also includes SPF 25 for sun protection. If you like a product that addresses multiple signs of aging while protecting your skin from sun damage, you should consider this. What people say. I have only used it a handful of times and I can already see a difference. Not a huge difference, but my skin feels softer. I don't notice as many dry spots for sure, and it seems to work great with the serum I use. After 6 weeks, my wrinkles have gotten so much lighter. I've been using Neutrogena's Triple Age Repair Moisturizer for about a month now, and it's quickly become a staple in my daily skincare. The texture is lightweight but very moisturizing. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy feel, which is perfect for my combination skin. Number 2. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream. Introducing Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream. This cream is designed to help you wake up with smoother, firmer, and more even-toned skin. It works overnight to rejuvenate your skin. This anti-aging cream is clinically proven to reduce wrinkles and improve skin firmness. It visibly evens skin tone in just 4 weeks. You'll see a noticeable difference. Infused with vitamin C, this cream helps to diminish dark spots and boost radiance. It fights the signs of aging while improving your overall skin appearance. The result is a more youthful glow. Formulated with glycerin and shea butter, it deeply moisturizes your skin while you sleep. It instantly improves the look and feel of your skin. It's like a spa treatment every night. Featuring hexanol technology, this cream boosts your skin's ability to improve its appearance. It visibly improves skin firmness, revealing smoother and younger-looking skin. Use it as part of your nightly routine. For best results, apply the cream evenly over your face and neck every night after cleansing. This will deeply moisturize and revive your skin while you sleep. Incorporate it into your skincare routine. What we like. This night cream contains vitamin C to gently diffuse the look of dark spots and even out skin tone. It works overnight to deeply moisturize your skin. If you are looking for a night cream that revitalizes your skin while you sleep, you should consider this. What people say. It is soft when going on and I feel that it works very well. It is moisturizing and so strong smell. It doesn't feel heavy or oily. Very good moisturizer and skin perfecto. Feels wonderful on my face. Your face looks refreshed and soft. Wrinkles get discreet. Number 1. RoC Retinol Correxion Max Daily Hydration Moisturizer. RoC offers a wide range of skincare products. These include daily moisturizers with SPF, vitamin C serums, and eye creams. They have everything you need for a complete skincare routine. This fast-absorbing retinol face cream deeply hydrates your skin for 48 hours. It visibly reduces wrinkles in just 1 week. It's gentle enough for daily use by both men and women. Whether you're dealing with deep wrinkles, fine lines, or uneven skin tone, this product can help. It's an anti-aging formula designed to address various skin concerns, making it suitable for everyone. RoC skincare products are recognized by beauty industry leaders and dermatologists. They are known for their effectiveness. RoC continues to research and innovate new formulas for healthier skin. The clinically proven formula improves firmness, leaving skin soft and supple. 100% of testers saw reduced fine lines and wrinkles after 8 weeks. It's oil-free, non-comedogenic, and paraben-free. What we like. This moisturizer deeply hydrates skin for 48 hours and visibly reduces wrinkles in just 1 week. It's gentle enough for daily use. If you like a product with a proven formula for both hydration and wrinkle reduction, you should consider this. What people say. It has a light texture, absorbs super well, and doesn't leave a greasy feeling. What I like most is that it deeply hydrates and leaves my skin soft, glowing, and looking better from the first few days. After 2 weeks, I have really noticed a difference. There is no irritation, and my skin appears much smoother. The cream absorbs well and isn't greasy. The biggest thing I love about this cream is how it combines a powerful retinol with intense hydration. My skin feels so much more supple and plump after I use it, and it's not greasy at all. I can genuinely see a difference in my fine lines and the overall texture of my skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.